Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is Prapti and I'm here just to tell you things I learned which are very important for me as a 21-year-old. I'm just going to share some of the most important things which I have came across in this past 2 to 3 years, and I think that most of you might relate or might not relate to what I'm saying here. But yeah, as I'll be starting, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do like it, I'll make again. So yeah, okay, the camera is not giving justice to what I wrote, but I'll just share each and every thought what I wrote here. So the first thing is, crying doesn't make you weak. So as I told in my previous video also, that I am a very sensitive person when it comes to each and everything whatever I am going through or whatever I have been through. So I think when you cry out loud, it actually makes you feel better. You can do any exercise. I usually cry over little things, and I just remove all the stress out of my body, and it makes me feel very relieved. So yeah, this is my part of way that, it doesn't make you feel weak. It makes you stronger, and you realize that whatever burden you're facing, it just fades away while crying. Yeah, this is the first thing, that crying doesn't make you feel weak. Keep that in mind. So the second is, people treat you how you treat yourself. So I realized that self-respect is way more important in this case, because in my previous, months, I understood the thing that I used to crave for people opinions and their suggestion. I used to allow them to judge me, and before doing that and after doing that process, I I used to feel I am a bad person. Yeah, this is the reality. And after that, I realized that this is not my thing. I cannot accept each and every opinion of people, and I cannot bully myself just because of people are saying these things to me. So I maintained distance, certain distance. I don't like people, coming to me and sharing their opinions on me and keep judging me. I don't allow that thing right now, and it makes me feel better. Don't, accept people's opinion or judgment on the basis of what you're feeling or what you're dressing or whatever you're doing. That's not important. What is important is you love yourself. Talking about the third thing is, healing is not linear. Some days are bad, some days are good, but both are equally important for me, because sometimes I feel like this is not the progress, but it is the progress. Even if you're feeling bad, even if you're feeling good, both are progress. Keep that things in a positive way. Things will be very easier. So yeah, talking about the fourth thing is, dreams do change, and that is very normal. I never normalized that my dreams are changing, my what I have to do, I'm not doing something what I wanted to do. So this makes me feel very weak, that I used to think that I want to do the certain thing and this is my dream, whether it's working or it is not working. So in my past year, I understood that they do change. It's not that you have to do that same thing that is the main dream of yours. It's not like that. Something bigger is coming. So yeah, you should not rely on the same dream. The most important thing is that learn to say no. Don't be people pleaser. Don't accept whatever people are saying. Don't be with them. If it is wrong for you, just say no. I was a person back then, I was like, even if it is not good for me, even if it is not working out for me, I used to say yes. And that hits me so bad. I still feel very bad about myself, because I feel like if it is wrong, then you should say no. Very beautiful word. Even if you're feeling bad about it, you can say no. It's very simple. It's just a 1 second, yeah, no. And I learned that. I respect that thing, and I think I'm growing right now, because I understood what were my faults, what were my mistakes, and I'm learning. I'm still learning. I'm not perfect at all, and I'm being happy right now because I'm understanding a lot of things, whatever I've been through. Next thing is, you don't need anyone's approval. So the right people will understand and will help you, whether you're doing wrong, whether you're doing right. They will be helping you, and throughout they will be there with you. So you don't have to please people. In my past years, I used to please people. I used to, crave for their attention, their opinions. That was very important to me. And right now I'm like, no, the right ones will stick to me, the right ones will care, the right ones will understand what I'm going through, the right ones will make me feel better. Next one is, health is the biggest factor. So last year, I mean this year only, I faced a lot of health issues, starting from my lungs to each and everything, because I neglected my health like nothing. I was feeling very bad about me because I was just, not taking care of my body, my health. I was just disturbed. I was feeling bad about myself, and I felt that this is not working out. After that, I did each and everything to, to cope up with my health, because I understood that you need to take care of your body. Your body needs rest. You cannot let go. You cannot take your body for granted. If your body will not support you, you're gone. That happened with me, and I realized this is the main factor. I don't take my body and my health for granted. Sometimes I do. I'm still learning. Sometimes I do. I usually don't think that much about me and my body. I usually take care of people who are close to me. I love them, but I don't take care of myself. But there are people who are still taking care of me, who still remembers each and everything. They do tell me that, take care of yourself, you are still recovering. I'm still recovering from the issue which has happened with me, and I'm understanding that, yeah, taking care of yourself, your mental well-being, your physical health, this is so much important, more than anything else in the life. So these are the things which I learned. I have a lot to share, but I'm done yapping. I think the video is too long, so I'll post another video whatever I have learned, because I have a lot to share. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys can relate to the things which I shared. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do let me know what else you need next.